So where we left off, we saw how to upload our image onto Sketchpad. So now we need to actually mark that image. So before we actually begin, we are going to hide this image so we can see the grid that we made behind our image itself. So I'm going to go over to the right hand top and hit layers. And then I'm going to find where it says clip art. The clip art will be the image that you uploaded, and you'll see a little eye. We want to click on that eye. It hides that layer. So now we can't see our image at all, but we can see this grid that was left behind. So I'm going to now go over to the left-hand side, and the third from the top, it will say pen, pencil, marker, something along those lines. You're going to click on this. We want to change our brush. So the first one that says choose brush, you're going to click on that, and you're going to find a line. Everything else is fine to stay. So we're going to start by doing our corners first, our diagonal lines. So I'm going to have this little circle. I'm going to click the corner. You see a blue line. I'm going to drag it all the way down to the other, and I'm going to click one more time. So now we made a straight line going diagonally across our page. I'm going to click the X mark. That solidifies it in the space, and I'm going to go the other direction now. So I'm going to click on the other corner. I'm going to move my cursor across the screen, and then I'm going to click on the other side and hit the X again. So now what I'm going to do is I want to do my vertical and my horizontal lines. So I'm going to see that point where the two diagonal lines meet, and I see a little line right here in my grid. I'm going to follow that line all the way down, and I'm going to click. I'm going to move my cursor so that it goes through the center, follows that line, so it's nice and straight, and then I'm going to click one more time. So this line separates my page in two. So I have a vertical line going down the center of my page. I'm going to hit the X to solidify it in the spot. And now I'm going to do the same thing going horizontally. So I'm going to find the line that separates my page horizontally. I'm going to follow it with my cursor all the way to the edge of the page. I'm going to click. It'll go through the center, making sure I stay on that horizontal line, and I'm going to click one more time. So we have now separated our section into 8 different spots, and we're going to be doing the same thing on our physical paper, but now we are going to go to layers, click on the eyeball on clipboard like we did before, so now we can see our image again. And this is how we're going to grid our page. So using this image, we're going to go through the rest of the process on how to transfer our image from this beautiful high quality gridded image onto your paper using the rulers and straight edge if you have that with you, and also a pencil. So now click through to the next video to learn the next steps.